Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel Civil Line. Myself Milan Patel, Assistant Professor at LJIET Institute of Engineering and Technology. Today we will start a new chapter which is Advancements in Civil Engineering. This is the first lecture of this chapter. In this chapter, we will discuss various trending topics in civil engineering. In today's lecture, we will cover three topics. First is smart city and its features. Second is green building, and third is energy efficient building. So without wasting much time, let's begin with smart city and its features. In this topic, we will cover first what is smart city, second need of a smart city, third concepts of smart city, fourth various pillars of smart city, fifth features of smart city, and lastly smart city solutions. Okay, let's start with what is smart city. Smartness in the city means different things to different people. It could be smart design, smart buildings, smart utilities, smart mobility services, or smart technologies. Various factors which are affected to become a smart city are: first, it should provide holistic urban environment embedded with the fundamental values along with the option to grow and prosper of the people. Second, it should provide the chance to participate in the city's management and satisfactory lifestyle for generations to come. Third, it has to be a living city with respiratory system supported by both its citizens and technology for its governance, management and functioning. Fourth, it has to be technologically sound and efficient city with smart grids in infrastructure, transportation and energy. And lastly, it should offer decent living options to every citizens in the city and provide better infrastructure in the city. Okay, these are the various factors which are required to become a smart city. Second, need of a smart city. Why this smart city is required? The main source for economy in our country is based on agriculture, right? To fulfill the need of resources for industries and service sectors, more and more urban areas are being created. Since we are still a developing economy and mostly unbuilt gives opportunity to innovate choices that are environmentally sustainable. Extreme population is one of the major problems that slow down the process of development. With the smart city project, government ensures the basic guidelines for smart city. Accordingly, that the purpose of the smart city mission is to drive economic growth and improve the quality of life of the people which are living in the city by enabling local area development, harnessing technology, especially technology that leads the smart outcome. Okay, so that's why the smart city mission is required. Third, concept of smart city. What is the concept of smart city? Okay, first concept is sustainability. Okay, because of getting sustainability, smart city is required. It includes social sustainability, environmental sustainability, and financial sustainability. Second is quality of life of the people. For that, safety and security, inclusiveness, entertainment, ease of seeking and obtaining public services, cost efficient healthcare facilities, quality education facilities, transparency and opportunities for participation in governance of the people. Okay, is required. And the third is competitiveness in the people. It refers to a city's ability to create employment opportunities, attract investment from the foreign, experts or professionals and peoples. Okay? The ease of being able to do business and quality of life it offers determines its competitiveness. Okay? This figure shows the factors which affects the smart city. Okay, three factors are the main factors: quality of life. Three factors are the main factors: quality of life, employment, and This figure shows the concept of smart city. Sustainability of environment as well as social sustainability is required by quality of life or employment or this figure shows the concept of smart city. Okay, you can clearly see the sustainability in terms of environmental sustainability and social sustainability creates the quality of life of the people. Okay, employment and investment opportunities creates competitiveness in the city. Okay, and by these three factors, you can easily create a city into the smart city. Okay? That's all about concept of smart city. Fourth, pillars of smart city. Okay, first pillar is institutional infrastructure. It refers to the activities that related to governance, planning, and management of the city. It includes the participatory system of governance, e-governance, inclusive governance, the sense of safety and security, and the opportunities for creativity. Okay, this included in institutional infrastructure. Second pillar is physical infrastructure. It refers to the stock of cost-efficient and intelligent physical infrastructure purchase, the urban mobility system like BRTS system, metro system, the housing stock, the energy system, the water supply system, the sewerage system, the sanitation facilities, etc., which are all integrated through the use of technology, is included in physical infrastructure. Okay. Third pillar is social infrastructure. It related to those components that work towards developing the human and social capital, such as the education, healthcare facilities, entertainment facilities, etc. It also includes performance and creative arts, sports, open spaces, children's parks, and gardens, which determine the quality of life of citizens which are living in the city. Okay? And the fourth pillar is economic infrastructure. It requires following items. First, financial sustainability. It includes establishing incubators or creation of jobs. Second, incubation centers. Third, skill development centers. Fourth, mentoring and counseling services, which are included in financial sustainability. Okay, and various financial hubs like industrial parks, export processing zones, IT parks, trade centers, financial centers and services, logistic hubs, warehousing, freight terminals, etc. gives economic infrastructure of the smart city. That's all about the pillars of smart city. Now let's discuss various features of smart city. The features of smart city can be divided into these three terms. First, at city level, second, at neighborhood level, and the third, at individual building level. Okay, so we will discuss the features of smart city. It includes urbanized city landscape, compact planning of the city, mobility services like BRTS, metro. Okay, biodiversity means the connection between the development and environment. Okay, next is environment. Next is energy requirement of the smart city, which is fulfilled by various renewable sources. Okay, intelligently smart system, which is requiring traffic management or any other government services. Healthy framework like health, education, safety, and security is also included in smart city. Okay, and lastly, and the most important factor is citizens' engagement in the decision making of the government rules. Okay, this feature should be included in the smart cities. Okay, now let's move to the smart city solutions. Which solutions gives or convert the city into the smart city? These solutions can be divided into 6 major terms. First is e-governance and citizen services. Second is waste management solutions. Third is water management solutions. Fourth is energy management solutions. Fifth is urban mobility solutions. And sixth is other solutions. Let's discuss first e-governance and citizen services, in which public information, grievance redressal, okay, electronic service delivery of particular products, citizen engagement in decision making, make cities eye and ears for better performance of the city, video crime monitoring. Okay, this all five is included in e-governance and citizen services. Okay, second is waste management solution, in which waste to energy and fuel solution, waste to compost solution, wastewater to be treated. Okay, recycling and reduction of CND waste. Okay, this included in waste management solution. Now, third is water management solution, in which smart meters of the water, which is installed in all houses. Okay, so that proper management of water can be possible. Leakage identification or preventive maintenance. Okay, it's also included in water management. Water quality monitoring is also included in water management solution. Okay, fourth is energy management solution, in which smart meters for energy consumption or better management of energy consumption. Okay, renewable sources of energy like tidal energy, wind energy, solar energy, etc. Energy efficient and green building should be constructed in smart city. Okay. Fifth is urban mobility solutions or transportation solutions. For that, smart parking facilities should be there. Okay, intelligent traffic management should be there. Integrated multimodal transport should be there. Okay, these are the three urban mobility solutions of smart city. Okay, and the three other solutions like telemedicine or teleeducation. Okay, by with the help of television, you can easily provide the medicine or education facilities. Okay, incubation centers or trade facilitation centers or employment centers should be there. Skill development centers should be there. Okay, these are the various other solutions for smart city. Okay, so these are the 21 solutions that can convert a city into the smart city. Okay, that's all about the solutions of the smart city. That's all about the first topic in today's lecture. Now let's move to the second topic in today's lecture, which is green building. In this topic, we will cover first green building concept, second various objectives of green building, third fundamental principles of green building, fourth benefits of green building, and fifth various rating tool for green building. Let's start with green building concept. A green building is a building that in its design, construction or operation reduces or eliminates negative impacts and can create positive impacts on our climate or our natural environment. Okay, it is also known as green construction or sustainable building. Okay, it preserves precious resources and improves quality of life. This green building concept is very important in various countries, including India. These are the buildings that ensure waste is minimized at every stage during construction and operation of the building, resulting in low cost according to experts in technology. It is a structure that is environmentally responsible and resource efficient throughout its life cycle. Okay, it pays one which uses less water, optimizes energy efficiency, conserves natural resources, generate less waste, and provide healthier space for occupants which are living in that building. Okay. Now let's move to the various objectives of the green building. Why these buildings are constructed? Okay. The main objective of green building is to reduce overall impact on environment and on human health by minimizing the use of nature resources and to maximize the benefits obtained using nature elements. This can be achieved by following ways. First is by efficiently using energy, water and other resources. Second, by protecting occupants' health and improving employee productivity. Third, by reducing waste, pollution and environmental degradation. Fourth, by using renewable energy sources such as solar energy, wind energy. By using materials which are non-toxic, ethical and sustainable. Okay. By providing good indoor environmental air quality. Okay. By considering the aspects of environment in design, construction and operation. By considering different that is quality of life of occupants in design, construction and operation. And by considering city design that enables adaptation to a changing environment. Okay, these are the various objectives for that green building is constructed. Now let's discuss the fundamental principles of green building, the points which are taken into consideration while green building construction. First is structure design efficiency. The structure should be such that it is easily getting natural resources like sunlight, air, etc. Second, energy efficiency of the building should be properly maintained by using energy efficient bulbs or lights. Okay. Third, water efficiency. Water efficiency can be achieved by using various equipments which uses less water. Okay. Fourth, material efficiency. The materials should be reusable. Okay. Or the materials which uses less energy while production is also getting maximum material efficiency. Fifth is resource efficiency. The resources which are used in the construction of green building should be locally available, should be durable, or should have less energy consumption while production phase. Okay. Next is indoor environmental quality. Indoor environment quality can be easily improved by proper ventilation. Okay. So it should be proper ventilation system in all green buildings. Okay. Next is waste reduction. Okay. In green building, there should be a one system that reduces the overall waste, or it uses the waste into the best possible item. Okay. Or you can use solid waste management techniques for that. Okay. Or you can easily recycle the waste into some productive items. Okay. Next is operations and maintenance optimization. No matter how sustainable you build the green building, but you have to care about the operations and maintenance phase of the building. Okay. And the last is regulation and operation. Many countries make various rules and regulations for green building. So you have to follow these rules and regulations for proper management of green building. Okay. These are the various points to be considered while construction, operation and maintenance of green building. Now, let's discuss the benefits of green building. The benefits of green building can be divided into three terms. First is environmental benefits. It conserves natural resources. It reuses the waste. It improves air and water quality. It reduces the use of natural resources such as water. It prevents pollution and it protects biodiversity and ecosystem. These are the various environmental benefits of green building. Second is economic benefits, like it improves occupant productivity, it creates market for green production and services, it reduces operating cost, the waste reduction and use of recycled material should be there. Okay, energy and water efficient buildings are 32 to 35% more efficient than normal buildings. This is how you can easily save the money. Okay, these are the various economic benefits of green building. And the last is social benefits, like it improves occupant health as well as comfort which are living in the building. It minimizes strain on local infrastructure and improves the quality of the life. These are the three social benefits of green buildings. Okay, that's all about the benefits of green building. Now let's see various rating tools for green building. Green building rating tools, also known as the certification of green building. They are used to access and recognize buildings which made certain green requirements or standards. A green building rating tool that evaluates the performance of building and its impact on environment. It comprises of predefined set of criteria relating to good design, construction, operation and maintenance of green building. In India, there are three rating systems. First is LJIET, which is Leadership in Energy and Environmental Design, which gives the certification of green building. Second is IGBC, is the Indian Green Building Council, also gives the certification of green building. And the last is GRIHA, GRIHA, Green Rating for Integrated Habitat Assessment. This agency also gives the rating for green buildings, okay, based on various parameters. That's all about the rating agencies or rating tools for green building. That's all about green building. Now let's move to the third topic in today's lecture, which is energy efficient building. In this topic, we will discuss first introduction of energy efficient building. Second, we will discuss classification of energy efficient building. Third, we will discuss various objectives of energy efficient building. Fourth, we will discuss about various benefits of energy efficient building. Then we will discuss about various materials used in energy efficient building. Then we will discuss various design and construction criteria of energy efficient building. And lastly, we will cover one concept which is called as Trias energetic concept. Okay? Let's start with introduction of energy efficient building. Energy efficient buildings are designed to use as little energy as possible. Buildings can be made energy efficiency using quality building and insulation materials, which prevents heat loss and the building airtight. Okay. High quality design and craftsmanship are required in energy efficient building for proper ventilation, for proper insulation. Okay. Minimizing thermal breaches is the key of energy efficient building. It plays a major role in minimizing overall energy consumption and the cost. Okay. In India, 30 to 40% of all primary energy is used in buildings. Okay. That's why energy efficiency is required. Okay. Number of ways in which energy efficient building can be improved. First, by taking into account the entire life cycle of products and processes, including disposal of the waste. Second, by developing more efficient products and processes in construction, operation, and maintenance of the buildings. Third, by improving the operation and maintenance of transportation, buildings, and industrial equipments. Okay? They will open control and system to increase efficiency beyond that available from individual technologies. Okay? Auditing energy use and providing recommendation on more efficient technologies and practices. Okay? Retrofitting or replacing energy efficient technology is required. Okay? By developing policy to encourage the adoption of energy technologies. Okay? Educating people to more energy efficient. Okay? These are the number of ways in which energy efficient building can be improved. Okay? Now, let's discuss the classification of energy efficient building. First is type 0 or standard type of building. It is constructed to meet only building standard energy efficient requirements. Okay, these are the standard type of buildings. Okay. Second is type 1 or low energy buildings. Okay, it consumes only half of the energy needed by a standard building. Okay, it is achieved by improved insulation and windows and ventilation heat recovery system. Bring a building to a low energy level. It is notably more expensive than a standard building. Usually 0 to 5% construction cost is increased to create low energy buildings. Okay. Third type is type 2 or passive energy buildings. It consumes less than 1/4 of energy used by a standard building. It stays warm by using energy generated in the building. It has no separate heating system apart from the heat recovery ventilation. Okay. Fourth type is type 3 or zero energy building. It is a building with zero net energy consumption and zero carbon emission annually. This building can be independent of energy grid supply. So this building creates their energy requirement by their own. Next type is type 4 or plus energy buildings. The concept is based on wings having an energy efficiency level of a passive building and additional integrated active energy supply system that exploit solar or wind energy. During winter, building sells excessive amount of electricity to the national grid and buys it back during the summer. Extra investment cost for a plus energy building is at least 10% each compared to the standard building. These buildings are rare but are likely to become a new building trend in near future. Okay, these are the 5 types of energy efficient building. Now let's discuss the objectives of energy efficient building. It is used to modulate the conditions such that they are always within or as close as possible to the comfort zone. It is done by increasing demand for building services and comfort levels. Together with the rise in the time spent inside building, assure that the upward trend in energy demand will continue in future. For this reason, energy efficiency in building is today a prime objective for energy policy at regional, national and international level. Okay, the main name of energy efficient building is to produce a building with a minimum environmental effect. Okay, these are the objectives of energy efficient building. Now let's discuss the benefits of energy efficient building. First is it improves indoor comfort of the people. It saves money on energy bills. Breathe healthy, fresh, clean air by the people which are living in the energy efficient building. It reduces moisture issues in the building. It increases building resale value. Okay, because energy consumption is less. It reduces fossil fuel use and greenhouse gas emission by the buildings. Okay, these are the various benefits of energy efficient building. Okay. Now let's discuss various materials which are used in energy efficient building. Okay, first is recycled steel can be used, straw bales can be used, structured insulated panels which are used for insulation, okay, of the building. Plastic composite lumber is used in energy efficient building. Low E type of windows is used. Okay, vacuum insulation panels is used for proper insulation. Okay, and cool roof is used for less energy consumption by air conditioners. Okay, these are the various materials used in energy efficient buildings. Okay, now let's discuss energy efficient building design and construction criteria. These are the three equipments which are used to cool down or to heat up the building's environment. Okay, first is bioclimatic architecture. It includes shape and orientation of the building, solar protection of the building, and installation of passive solar systems. Okay, second is high performing building envelope. It is done through insulation of the building. The insulation of the building is done by providing high performing glazing or windows, air seal construction, and avoidance of thermal bridges. Okay, and the last is high performance control ventilation. This control ventilation is provided by mechanical insulation or by heat recovery. These are the three design and construction criteria which are used in energy efficient building. The last topic in energy efficient building is Trias energetic concept. So what is Trias energetical concept? It is the most sustainable energy which is saved energy. Okay, so to save energy, first is to reduce the demand of energy by avoiding waste and implementing energy saving measures. Second, use of sustainable source of energy like renewable energy sources like wind energy, tidal energy, solar energy, etc. And third, use of fossil energy as efficiently as possible. Okay, these are the three ways by which we can easily save the energy in the buildings. Okay, this is the Trias energetic concept. That's all about energy efficient building. I hope you all understand these three topics: smart city and its features, green building, and energy efficient building. See you soon in the next lecture. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel, Civil Line. Thank you.